Dear student, today's topic is probability. Here different terms are there. First, experiment. What is experiment? Experiment is an operation which can produce some well-defined outcomes is called experiment. Random experiment. What is random experiment? An experiment in which all possible outcomes are known, but the exact outcomes cannot be predicted in advance is called the random experiment. Next, event. What is event? The collection of some all possible outcomes are called event. The collection of all or some possible outcomes is called an event. Now, let E be an event. E be an event. Then the probability of occurrence of E is defined as P E equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Now, exercise 25A. Here, in question number 1, a coin is tossed. What are all possible outcomes? So when a coin is tossed, the possible outcomes are, all the possible outcomes are head and tail. Head is denoted by H and tail is denoted by T. Next, Roman 2. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. What are all possible outcomes? So when two coins are tossed simultaneously, the possible outcomes are head head, head tail, tail head, or both tail. Next, question number 3. A die is thrown, then all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Roman 4. From a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. So number of possible outcomes equal to 52. Now question number 2. In a single throw of a coin, what is the probability of getting tail? So here in a single throw of a coin, the possible outcomes are head and tail. So total number of outcomes is 2 because one head, one tail. So total number of outcomes equal to 2. And number of tail is 1. Out of these two outcomes, number of tail is 1. So number of tail is 1. So probability of getting tail equal to 1 by 2. Next, question number 3. In a single throw of two coins, the all possible outcomes are head head, first possible outcomes, second outcomes head tail, third possible outcomes is tail head, and another is both tail. So total number of outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4. And P getting both tail. So both tail case, favorable case is 1, only one case there is both tail. So P getting both tail equal to 1 by 4. P getting at least one tail is 3 by 4 because at least one tail, this case, this and these three cases are at least one tail. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 by total is 4. So P getting at least one tail equal to 3 by 4. P getting at the most one tail also 3 by 4. At the most one tail 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 4. Number 4. A bag contains 4 white and 5 red balls. So total number of balls in the bag equal to 4 plus 5 equal to 9. One ball is drawn at random. So if one ball is drawn from the bag at random, then all the possible outcomes, total number of possible outcomes equal to 9. So A, P getting a white ball. So number of white ball in the bag is 4. So 4 by 9. P getting a blue ball equal to number of blue ball in the bag by total number of ball in the bag. So 5 by 9. Next, question number 6. Total number of ticket is equal to 10 plus 20 equal to 30. one ticket is chosen at random. So total number of possible outcomes equal to 30, because there are 30 tickets, total number of tickets equal to 30. So if one ticket is chosen at random, total number of possible outcomes equal to 30. Here number of favorable outcomes equal to 10, because P getting prize, the prize is given on 10 tickets. The prize is given on 10 tickets, so favorable outcomes equal to 10. So P, that is probability of getting prize, equal to 10 by 30. Favorable number is 10 with respect to this event, P getting prize. So 10 by 30, that is simplest form is 1 by 3. Question number 7. In question number 7, it is given, it is known that a box of 100 electric bulbs contains 8 defective bulbs. So total number of bulbs in the box equal to 100, and this out of total number of bulbs, number of defective bulbs equal to 8. So number of non-defective bulbs is equal to 100 minus 8 equal to 92. So if one bulb is drawn at random, number of possible outcomes equal to 100. If one bulb is drawn from the random, then the total number of possible outcomes equal to 100. Now Roman 1, defective bulbs equal to 8. So P getting defective bulb equal to 8 by 100. Its simplest form is 2 by 25. Number of non-defective bulb equal to 92. So P getting non-defective bulb is equal to 92 by 100 equal to 23 by 25. This is the simplest form. Next, number 8. A die is thrown at random. All possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the possible outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes equal to 6. Roman 1, number of 2, there is only 1, 2 is there, 1. So P getting 2 equal to 1 by 6. Roman 2, number less than 3 are 1 and 2. So P getting number less than 3 equal to 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. Its simplest form is 1 by 3. Next, composite numbers are 4 and 6. Out of these numbers, or composite numbers are 4 and 6. So P getting a composite number 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. Roman 4, the number less than 4 is 1, 2 and 3. So P getting a number less than 4 equal to 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Next, number 10, question number 10. A box contains 19 balls. One ball is drawn at random. So number of possible outcomes equal to 19. So next, question number 1, Roman 1. Prime numbers are, out of these 19 numbers, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 prime numbers. So P getting a prime numbers equal to 8 by 19. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 9 even numbers are there. So P getting an even number equal to 9 by 19. Number divisible by 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So there are 6 number which is divisible by 3. So P getting a number divisible by 3 equal to 6 by 19. Next, question number 11. One card is drawn from random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. So total number of possible outcomes equal to 52 when one card is drawn from the pack is random. Roman 1, number of king is 4. In this card, out of 52 cards, number of king is 4. So P getting a king equal to 4 by 52 equal to 1 by 13. Its simplest form is 1 by 13. Roman 2. Number of spade equal to 13. There are 13 spade card. So P getting a spade equal to 13 by 52 equal to 1 by 4. Roman 3. Number of red queen equal to 2. There are 2 red queen. So P getting a red queen equal to 2 by 52, total number of cards. So 2 by 52 equal to 1 by 26. Its simplest form. And Roman 4. Number of black 8. Number of black 8 equal to 2. There are 2 black 8 cards there. So P getting a black 8 equal to 2 by 52 equal to 1 by 26. Thank you.